Hey Journey More, this is the Blue Hole Trail. This is in Rock Island State Park in Tennessee. And the Blue Hole is about a half a mile out and back.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Stick around for the end where we review these trails and let us know what you think in the comments below.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you down.
We're down here at the bottom of Blue Hole, and these falls just go on forever in both directions. So make sure you walk all the way out to the edge because they actually get better and better the further out you get. It's awesome.
I cannot fight it. My head's underwater. I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Better than I thought. Better than I expected. A lot better, actually. What's up, Journey More? We just got done with Blue Hole here at Rock Island State Park, and let me just say, I am very impressed. I don't know if it was because of the pictures on the website, the state park website, or the All Trails app, but it was way better than I thought. It was literally, you're walking through the waterfalls the entire time.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
And the waterfalls go the entire way. So it's just like this massive mass of waterfalls. It's so cool. So neat.
Yes, I loved it. I thought it was great. You can climb down through the rocks in different areas of where Blue Hole is, and there's multiple waterfalls. You can go under and you can get wet and have fun.
Yes.
I recommend if you have like water shoes to wear those, because our hiking boots got super wet, but it did help a little bit with some traction in some areas. So
yeah, definitely. It's only like half a mile of a trail, and so it's not a long walk to get down there and to see everything. It's really not a hiking trail. It's more of just a really cool spot to run around, explore, climb up things, get wet.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to swim.
Yes.
So make sure that you don't get in the water down there. We talked to a state park ranger, and he was telling us some stories of people that got in the water. It has to do with the current and the dam that lets water in. So don't do that, please. We don't want anybody to pass away because of that. But it was incredible.
Yes.
Definitely kind of tough to get up and down just because you're like
You gotta
climbing.
be careful, yeah.
Yeah, you're more so climbing.
Yeah.
So just watch your footing. Something like chacos or some kind of sandals or water shoes is probably good enough.
Yeah.
But it's so fun. So
Yeah.
just get down there and have fun.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
It was really awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. So make sure you like the video, give us that thumbs up,
Yes.
subscribe to our channel. We'd love for you to be a part of the Journey More community, and come journey more with us. We'll see you next time.